The moment relegation, what the Africa
so concerning number one question. I say was saying there's I don't know whether Dalima is a good English. Okay, nations were this crossroad. Who say under normal circumstances? Omanya are relegated to Division 1 no. Omo key players will want to leave. Yeah. And they said the Olympics score relegation. But Amwa, Benjamin Asare, Emmanuel Chimunina, yeah, imagine so. Omo Jidisa, Omo Modern Mono was so a change say Omo Kakobo Division 1. And under normal circumstances. I was say players be say Emmanuel Ano, players be say Razak Simpson mo, and I didn't know big players for nations. No. Once team now relegated, no. In all fairness, where it's not about loyalty. In all fairness, you don't expect these big players say Omobedi team nature ko Division 1. Now, Rich, but Omako GFA Cup and say nations take decisions on Africa. Then it means they will need relatively their big boys to go to Africa. Now, this is what is going to happen. May I show say Kennedy Boachi and Samo and President Divine Mo ebe pese and combat omode Africa no ebe basis to lure players say o e wo msi ekọ Division 1 there ba ye na ekọ Africa
ebe hia mo
enti enka mumbra na mumbe sign man but Rich unim say answer the nations ebe timi akọ player papa bi ho na wakwako convince say ombra no ne nko Africa no unless they are able to first speak to omo big players na we team nim na and can a normal circumstances omo ni omo team go Division 1 no eto African project mum emo gitum because Rich say wo to we a big player of Ghana Premier League nim na say nations o ti say nations ba wo so na obedi nkomo say o ma qualify kwa Africa ti bebo mo a na tama mo ye negotiations na o ti say nations say o because Omoko Division 1 they couldn't hold on to Razak Simpson. They couldn't hold on to Ano, any Omo big players now. It defeats the purpose with which Omo catcher wants to say, but never join you. That is the crossroad of war. Their big players will not want to go to Division 1. They will want to use Africa not to lure big players. And see, their first major assignment, and they say, they must first convince Omo Muomu Dadano. Say a good cause for them to stay. And son on what media no Alion for but Razak Simpson and nay and no more nay ayo ma say oh no ye Division 1 there ya bros no mbekwa then they can't use Saadi and to lure Obiama Ombabo Mabako listen to them. I think say based on game na where any there they deserve say Ombeti Mary who say Dreams FC had won the FA Cup before and they had more experience. It was high level, no. And the nations equal game, they needed to be very, very strategic. Push the game to penalties and they won it over them. Yeah, Bobo, so they've done a very, very good job. I want to say, hey, pa, says Dr. Kwame Che, enya promotion by league in no. UTM commander costing so nations wanted to become a household name in the Premier League. And Omoni so they said they will also go to Africa.
Now the Africa is here.
Africa never do it. They've lost their status as a Premier League club. Yeah, brutal. But Omwani nim dienti omakwa ko do say baby omedu no. Esi team no mu kasane concern no ma bebre wo. Many evidence intimi can kese but whatever exactly whatever
going for na say omo be there film
find a way now
omo babaka omo say the embassy aye enyem and the council square be share central for press conference na press conference na enyem mienu first one of course nyame adom China Blackstars yeni was game no be come asem na hoboa team na aye ahead of the game no Odon somebody are two and central for him. The second one said the near the kind I catch them no and ne 1st of June. You become a catch them say before a Bubble Wars game no on a couch creates a bay announcement of the World Cup squad. And then what the Bobe kum no mam you know or can be their fat was preparation ahead of the game no now the World Cup squad no so no what me at their two a Ghana ubia players from so betimi a rep Ghana abo aye World Cup no enso emuna asamba kwa say obi aka wonsam aye head of the World Cup kra no your responsible minister nkoma on TV34 enso okokodi ye meche honorable Kofi Adams de kotu dwa se World Cup na ye kono each and every Blackstars player biano ebenya a 100,000 USD as an appearance fee na ebra o church nsem no yentie kakra na yemfa ameto adwumede ne so emfa emamo ene anope. Okay,
I am realizing that I've never known how much our team members are paid for showing up, in our tournaments, particularly the World Cup.
It varies. Since the 2006, I think they were given, was it 50 or 80,000 dollars for appearance. It went up to 120 at a point, and it came back to 100. It has been pegged at that 100 for quite some time.
So this
the
year?
Appearance, yeah, it's the same thing.
This year is $100,000.
We haven't changed it. Some say because the CD has become stronger, we should increase and we said no, we're not going to do so. If the CD had become weaker, would you have said that okay, as a result of that you should reduce the dollar so it gives you the same CD amount? You won't say so. So if the CD has become strong, we commend government for making sure that our currency is strong, and you would continue to take what it is that you take, the CD equivalent of what you are supposed to take in the dollar term.
Okay, and the sports minister, you are Kofi Adams, and now this one coming on the two that say World Cup now you kono Blackstars players appearance fee no be abenya 100,000 USD. Now minister at this house me to abontia if I don't need TV34 and yes interview. At this house me to abontia and a Ghana for be say na Ghana is yani dia na say because there's a precedent. The Brazil debacle yani na kai ebra ye ko Brazil players yo appearance fee man tua ye mo ene ade ko fan sem bebre that fiasco course our Brazil yes an ko another World Cup mo sa ko tua 100,000 biem ade ma players ene the padodo na na atroma dwen and so ade afa mo feel say debi baby an Ghana ya love when ye hia sika ade ye social interventions bebre heading and a players na World Cup qualifiers boy chuomuka and there anya qualification omo kwakwo aye World Cup no eba ne sen and aketua de mom ni na chi awie no yes an appearance fee of 100,000 USD. Kofi Misha Semfenfro and Sankran ya ba be the president ne komo say World Cup na vi ne board do have a supporters ye ka say ye do mo kwa 11,000.
Give me your preamble again.
Me say Ghana for say appearance fee na say ye dey ma air players no omne omman no any GF ni na anya adwen because players no World Cup qualifiers no mbo and you omoka ombo bia omje bonus ombo wi itu omoka enti say obobo game na wi ni atua ne ka no anya qualification kokobo World Cup then you see ye sign I'm almost 100,000 because I'm appear World Cup. I'm not doing because there are so many social interventions. I was buying it me the more minor.
Has there been an incident that BBSC or Ghana Boma? And I'm indulging you because you're very experienced. We have had to say it's okay into appearance fee. Like BBSC or Ghana Boma, maybe a Blackstars tournament, Vegas okay into appearance fee.
Yeah.
No, but make us say has some when you first start conversation about.
Mekaya ko Brazil.
That's what I want to get to. But you didn't see.
Players see a better appearance fee. Oman is Sikano bin hosisiye. Mon train BBI ready at the Bebremo.
After Brazil,
players say yam Sikana and bar yam bo to the extent say players no crown at a point boycotted air training. Intina I was say His Excellency Sabreno. Na Yebra John Dramani Mahama na ho. Na say ye disikano a good play mo de course na bia players na be no motimi abo game and it seems now man for happy with that incident they see with Brazil no.
After Brazil, what did the Jamife committee say about that?
Yes, solve our problem now and abo a competition. Yeah,
the amounts that we give to them as appearance.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, Ansan Kofa, South Brazil, the back of the mama.
You see, my biggest problem in all of this, I say 1 week to the World Cup, me discussing whether a player has, and in fact, me also be discussing baby, it's going to be a little bit cringe. Me discussing because it destabilizes the team. You see, I'll give you an example. Fatah Isakwa has some video be at on Snapchat and in the TikTok of dance challenge in this animal. Do you remember Asema Bible kind about Nehemiah a Fatah in India your own in Aquine? Because Bible says you mean in Aquine. But any a Fatah 1 week to World Cup. Something like what Fatah has done, Abia Bonibia Matahun. But you see, when things don't go on well, people will leech on things like that. And so players are almost someone you're committed to the cause of the Black Stars. But you don't measure commitment because of visa. What I'm trying to say is that the sports minister could have avoided this. Appearance fee won't come out a week to the World Cup.
Isn't a matter of transparent to Ghanaians?
No, Rich, you see. Rich, what do you mean by transparency? There are a lot of things that we can be transparent to Ghanaians, not this.
Appearance fee na money.
We see.
In the first place, a bounce more players appearance fee.
I don't have that conversation of whether Ebony and Ebony. Appearance fee in Ebony. But you see, Bibi beats me Ebony based on where you are coming from. Any baby are free. Baby are free, no the anklet to any problem. But baby will be free, no anklet than in a Sebi a child for 20 minutes. So there are things that we should be able to do, the things you're not supposed to do. In fact, at this point in time, discussing appearance fee a little bit cringe for me. To be very honest with you, 1 week to the World Cup. And never been named Blackstars squad. The focus should be on the players. Minim say be interview no more area. But then the sports minister should be guided in some of these things. You don't discuss appearance fee by this point in time.
And discussing time after the World Cup.
No, months ago. Who say Jamifa committee catch us you should bring this in. Send a be for problem in the team. No. So it should have been done months ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago. If you really want to be open about it. And yes, Adia, let us go and play our football. Without the unnecessary comments about players Isika. I've seen about 3 or 4 lecturers quoting that tweet on Twitter and saying that some person university lecture now okay, so you're a young person now, choose your career properly. Because as a university lecturer, it probably take you 6 years and more over
to get.
No, that's university lecturer. So you can imagine what we are talking about. A huge sum. But we shouldn't be poking those conversations at this point in time. When we have a week to go,
you see,
we keep on destabilizing. We keep on destabilizing the Black Stars. Me, I'm not in to discuss the merit of the appearance fee. The Papa Derby. But the timing of it is very important to me. And I've given you another example. The timing again is problematic.
Okay.
There are certain things as anime world company has to be private. There are certain things that we need to take care of, especially when times like these are coming.
Appearance fee, sika to compensate players for appearing for my ujawada bibia no ababo a competition because FIFA benya osrom faso because a players no and a sponsors and near they hear almost so edo musica babe room enti sika ye the reward the players no it's a compensation enti ala brand ko ba te bend enti te no kakaka na say betimi be lines na ma eti for timi abema Ghana force come den ya kwan yo yensu nye ukutu 100,000 USD e be am player bia for appearing or appear den World Cup no bobo itu anka.
Okay, first of all, maybe some maybe is it the amounts?
Amount to 100,000.
So people agree into appearance.
About 100,000 is too much.
Okay.
Because anya share krana players in the time no omo qualifiers so near
because then also when Fifi asks about the premise of the sentiment and also say and say omo games during the qualifiers you tia omoka. So if you tia oka na fi enya qualification na they don't see why we must pay you another sika for appearance fee. So a appearance fee no as a concept and conform pay and as a amount to no conform pay. Now people cannot have a problem with the appearance fee. Say more problem no. Me opinion say they are not right, and I'll give you an example. Rich, yawai. Yenya no yawa for yabusia for more amimuno. Bosome so etiomoka. But when you go for a peacekeeping, you earn extra for going for the peacekeeping apart from a monthly salary. Nobody has said. Say, oh, now say I didn't know every month. Say the local peacekeeping assignments and so outside the country. Jumani biana baby for so why must we pay you extra for going for peacekeeping? Nobody has said that before. And see, if anybody is raising an argument about appearance fee, say just because Etia for playing every game during the qualifiers and it's undeserved appearance fee, I will want to speak to the heart of that same person. Has he or she ever raised the issue of Argentina Army for peacekeeping Yama Omo special allowance for just embarking on peacekeeping Nana? If you've never seen anything wrong with that, then you should never see anything wrong with the Edema players. Number 2, Rich Yeti Kromwe, MPs, ministers, in their line of work, Omoyo Majuma as ministers. The moment Omubetu to say Kim, say based on the Juma or ko abochire akwakoye anything linked to ne Juma as a member of parliament or as a minister, he is paid special allowance, paid per diem for those things. I didn't think so when I see a Tiaoka as MP Bosome. Inti Argentina say parliament they want to quiet cost Sweden. I'm parliamentary seminar be Argentina say extra for Inti the concept is not wrong. The appearance fee concept, it is not wrong. In any case, the money now Edema players, it is not taken out of the taxpayer. It is taken out of the FIFA appearance fee given to the team for qualifying. It is Sikana Blasters almost spending. It is not as if say Miminu Muni tax ayetiano. I da hona ye mine. And just because you've qualified for the World Cup, Yako Tam say ye the common players out of the Sika FIFA edeban. Rich, where I will agree. Say OBA making legitimate arguments. And no a subjective the figure, the amount. Rich. And to arrive at amount obia bejatum say we dia it is not in one mat or menkwame mat. I think we need to do a broader consultation on the amount. Rich, on your memoir. Say buy a sports anymore. Me, I'm not even going about doom sunny way. Me, I don't see why about football and kwan as a sports and kwan na sika betoha na nkofo kai say you need best our hospital na doom sun na say and yeah football sika na de be top best at go hospital. And that is not my case. But my problem is say within the sports, within football, Rich, say Oshe Ghana football. Send ye a tier in terms of investment a year. Minu ya doing say form. Where pitches are bobo also. Till today, we don't even have one well-equipped sports science lab in Ghana. There is no sports hospital in Ghana. Oshe Bibi to say coaching education across board. There were a lot of problems within the same football, and yet baby football within the same football, a lacking investments. And I will want a comprehensive policy from the ministry. Say, Bona ye boni nyina ne pompon so and say national team the World Cup. that is where we finally showcase your born a year bonina. But ye players no, ye coaches no, ye efenantinasi. Na ye nyintum say, look, your football na ye bono. You have a big problem when it comes to its investments. And no more be to sini. And no Sanka yetimi boy homwadi ani yetimi nya World Cup qualification baako bia. Na yen say ka be $11 million bia. Anka your priorities ye den. How to build the foundation of your football no. And here for pana and here sika e be injected ya so. Na nyina ye nya den. Nanka yen fa sika ni momu so bebre. Me ya sure say hook. Say akwakoye say a shallow argument when you meet the players and ask say na you say the mamo because they will only look at the money from FIFA and say so $100,000 to Canada. It is just a minute percentage of adia ko eba. But if you are like we elaborate now humanity as say ye ni so hu policy say sika efi World Cup mu ba no ye dey build the foundation of football into muntias na your mom say half of the 100,000
never half
way na your country your mom be who say you qualify for 2026 and the way to solve the basic problem of footballer. Many of say players they will not understand. They are from Ghana. Christopher Bonsuba Manye Bokrom no free. Don't they know the situation of football or Bokrom? If you tell him you are going to build one astroturf for Bokrom a standard out of the World Cup money, will he say no because until this castle? But you don't do random and shallow. As I will be able to do.
I ran to how person presentation my ba me twa mu kitu bi.
Oh okay.
Ya ba na no. I say o bibi o person ye.
E de mama
ya na e twa ho.
Oh okay.
Emra sisi a. Enti